you will be receiving a Cream of Nature
Oh my
$5,000
gosh.
Legacy to Leadership.
Y'all are gonna make me cry.
Thank you so much. Oh, wow. Thank you so much.
I'm so excited. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No, thank you. Thank you.
The $5,000 Cream of
Wow.
Nature of you, Nia.
Thank you so much. Like, thank you so much. Thank you. I don't even know what to say.
You are welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Madison, we are super proud of you. We were so moved by your video that hands down, we knew you were going to be one of our initial recipients.
You have, oh my gosh, I'm trying not to cry. Okay. Oh my gosh, I have to compose myself. I really but I just thank you so much. It means the world. It really does mean the world to me. Thank you so much.
Legacy to Leadership is going to continue. It's going to be bigger and better next year. So we're super excited and super proud of you all.